Google says 86% of AI use happens outside work. Anthropic says personal use is only 35% on a typical weekday. That's a 51-point difference. So who's wrong? Actually, nobody. This summer, Google, Anthropic, and OpenAI all released major research on how people use AI. At first glance, the reports seem to contradict each other, but they're not measuring the same thing. Google counted interactions, Anthropic counted conversations, OpenAI counted messages. Even more importantly, they measured completely different products. Google's Atlas study analyzed 15 million interactions across Gemini, AI mode in search, and the Gemini API. It found AI showing up in 68% of occupations, but touching only about 21% of the tasks inside a typical job. And fewer than 10% of work interactions fully automated anything. That's the first big takeaway. AI is everywhere, but it's still helping people more than replacing them. So where does Google's 86% come from? Think about where people use Google. AI mode lives inside search. People ask about taxes, appliances, shopping, travel, and government services. Of course, that looks heavily personal. Now look at Anthropic. Claude is built around work. People use it to create reports, explain ideas, write documents, and solve technical problems. That's why personal conversations are much lower, around 35% on weekdays. OpenAI lands somewhere between the two. Most ChatGPT conversations involve asking questions or creating something. But OpenAI also says its research excludes enterprise customers, education, and codecs, so it understates workplace usage. So which report should marketers believe? All of them, because none of these reports measures how people use AI. They measure how people use that company's product. That's the real lesson. The numbers tell you as much about each company's distribution as they do about human behavior. And despite the different percentages, all three reports agree on three important things. First, AI assistance is beating full automation. Second, AI has reached almost every industry, but only a small portion of each person's work. And third, the early adopter phase is over. Your customers, coworkers, and competitors are already using AI. So what should you do? Run Google's 21% audit. List your team's recurring tasks and see where AI actually helps today. Stop treating vendor statistics as market sizing. Always ask which product produced the data. Build for collaboration instead of full automation. Think about the life admin questions your customers already ask AI before they contact you. And don't assume everyone is typing in English. Image, video, and multilingual AI use is growing fast. The most useful AI adoption statistic this year won't come from Google, Anthropic, or OpenAI. It'll come from your own team's task list.